Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids, and we just got the latest delivery from BattlBox. Let's see what's inside. So we got a pretty huge box here. I'm gonna use my SC Azula to open it up. All right, so as you can see, we're at mission 62. Let's take a look at the basic level first. First up, we have this, which is the Lord and Field Drifter Camp Tool, valued at $22.99. So we've got a spoon. I'm gonna break my fingers. Okay, we got a fork. Got a bottle opener. I'm guessing this is the knife. There's the nail nick. So there's all three for the Lord and Field Drifter Camp Tool. So cool little item. I don't know what the steel is on this. We'll check that out. Comes pretty sharp though. That's your first item right there. Second up, we have this, which is from Procamptek. This is the fat rope stick, one of my favorite fire starters out there. I've done a review on the fat rope stick. Just a great product. It's basically rope that's just totally impregnated with all sorts of flammable materials. So you can basically cut into this and then you just chop some of the rope off, kind of break it up a little bit, and then use that to start your fire. Takes a spark really nicely, and even when it's wet, it'll still work. So great item. Highly recommend Procamptek and what they do. Next up, we have this, which is Campfire Medium Roast Coffee. And this says that it is bushcraft coffee and campfire coffee, valued at $12.50. Forgot to say that the fat rope stick is valued at $9.99. So always good to have coffee around. Actually took a break from coffee for Lent, and now that Lent is over, having coffee again, so I'll probably be having some of this very soon. Last up, we have this, which is called the Bug Bite thing. It's valued at $9.95. It says insect bite and sting suction tool, so helps alleviate itching and swelling. Suction gets insect saliva / venom from under the skin. You can see we got a bunch of different biting insects, so like looks like, you know, black flies, mosquitoes, some sort of hornet or wasp, and then biting ants. So step 1, place tool over bug bite in the sting area. Step 2, slightly push or pull handles up slightly until you feel suction. Hold for 10 or 20 seconds. 3, push down on the handles to release the suction. So yeah, it extracts the venom. Kind of a cool thing. Reminds me of some of the old snake bite kits that people used to believe in that they don't recommend to use anymore. Don't like try to suck out the poison or the venom, I should say. But with this, yeah, definitely worth a shot. So we will check this out as the bugs start coming out into this spring and summer. Again, valued at $9.95. And those 4 items are your first 4 items at the basic level. At the advanced level, you're going to get this, which is the Mora Companion Spark. So stainless steel for the blade, this hard plastic handle. Really just great knives. Mora makes amazing knives. And then this is the spark. So you've got a fire steel built into the handle and a 90-degree spine to actually use it. I actually had this in with the like maroon reddish handle, and that was my go-to knife for my personal survival kit. So definitely recommend Mora. I mean, I have not ever used a product from Mora that I don't like, and cool to have the fire starter built right into the knife. This is valued at $30, so definitely a great product. I definitely stand behind Mora and what they make. All right, I got to kind of back up and hold the camera freehand here for this one. This is your third product. It's a cooler from Coleman. So this is called the Klondike 24-can 42-hour cooler. Valued at $60. So you've got your, looks like it's a bottle opener right here. And then you can hold 24 cans inside. Got a little extra storage section up here on top. So this is basically a little trap door to get into the cooler. And then you've got a on the side here, you got the shoulder strap for that. So once again, this cooler from Coleman, valued at $59.99. All right, last but not least, we have at the Pro Plus level, this is the knife of the month, valued at $89.99. This is designed by Mike Velkamp, and it's Revolt Knives. Let's take this guy out. Kind of a cool looking design, at least on the box so far. So it's almost kind of like a pinkish handle there. Yeah, it's definitely got a pink flavor there. So definitely a wide knife. You can see how big that is in my hand. Okay, carefully open by holding the rubberized grip and opening one-handed using the provided teardrop shaped thumb hole, or by opening blade with opposite hand. Okay, hopefully close the blade. So I'm pulling this all the way out. Oh, there we go. Now it's locked in nicely. Okay. So then it says to switch to Ulu mode, to press the liner lock while in open position and grip both sides of the blade until you find the groove where the blade will slide down the handle. So let's see this. Slide this to the side. Oh, there you go. Now slide it down the handle. Now it's an Ulu style blade like this. So that is pretty cool, I would say. So we have rubberized non-slip handles, liner lock, 7 CR with flat grind, blade length is 3 3/4 inches, overall length 8 3/4 inches. So that is pretty slick right there. So now you can use it like this, obviously. And then if you want to get out of this position, let's see, how do you do that? Just push this up. All right, so we want to get out of this position. You got to depress this button and slide it up. And now it's going to go back into the normal blade position. And now it's locked out as a liner lock again. So guys, that is cool. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people are going to hear 7CR and be disappointed. Yeah, I'd like to see this at least in a D2 or, you know, maybe a VG10, something like that. But cool concept. The pink handle's kind of interesting. I don't know what to think about that. It's rubberized. The grip, the ergonomics are really nice. Kind of an interesting, I mean, a huge sweeping blade there. They're calling that a flat grind. It doesn't look like a flat grind to me. I'd have to look at it a little bit more. My eyes are just wiped. They're just so tired from being up all day. This is a nighttime video I'm shooting, but anyhow, the overall kind of a cool concept here. The fact that the blade slides back, I think that's really neat. As far as having a rubberized handle to be able to use this out in the field, and then, you know, dress some game as well. That's kind of a cool concept. So yeah, they're valuing this at $90. Yeah, for the uniqueness of it, I would say that's probably right about where the price would be. Again, I'd like to see a better steel, but definitely a very unique knife. All right, guys, so this knife, unique, definitely. So I think that's cool. I love my Procamptek products, the fat rope stick, this from Lord & Field, the companion spark, yes. The bug bite thing, yeah, we'll see it. We'll test it out and see what we think about it. The coffee's good. I think the Coleman, the little Coleman cooler is overpriced, but that's my opinion. I'll have to dig around and do some research to see what I think about that. It's probably not way overpriced, but I'm just not a huge fan of Coleman products in general. Just feel like they're kind of, I'm looking for other brands and other companies. But let's hear your thoughts and your ideas about this latest BattlBox and what you think, you know, value, products, what stood out to you, what would you like, what would you not like. Let's get that discussion started down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos are coming soon. Take care.